Begin your drill by selecting it from the training menu. Make sure you push the seatbelt button. If you need to calibrate your environment, you can do that now. To start your lift, put your foot on the brake and make sure your controls are in neutral. Press the start button. Raise the forks to around 3 inches. Put the lift in drive or forward and press the accelerator to begin driving. "90-degree turns are an important skill for every forklift operator to master. This technique, when done correctly, will reduce your pickup and drop-off times on the job. Operators that can master 90-degree turns will have less need to turn into a pallet, thereby being safer and more efficient operators. This introduction drill requires operators to drive around pallets on the ground. To perform this drill properly, pull your forklift forward until the front tires are almost in the center of the opening. The location will vary in the real world based on your front tire size. In VR, stop just short of the orange arrows on the ground. Come to a complete stop. Do not roll into this turn. Once in position, turn your steering wheel fully, and then begin to move forward slowly. You can control your speed with the inching pedal if you selected the propane lift option. Turn until you are perfectly lined up with the opening. At this point, you can straighten your wheel and travel forward. Before you reach the barriers, repeat the sequence in the next direction. Be sure to check your rear end when you turn so you don't hit the pallet behind you. Repeat these steps for each opening and until you are at the end of the course. To finish this drill, park in the green box and turn off your lift. Your score will be displayed.